called the 50-20-30 rule. 50% or less of your $1,000 that you make after taxes, so the money that actually hits your bank account, should go to your essentials. That's the roof over your head, electricity bill, grocery bill, and it's your transportation to and from work. You could live off that alone. 20% or more goes to the future. That's savings. That goes into your 401k. That goes into your emergency savings. 30% or less is your lifestyle, shopping, going out to eat. And that is...
Okay, with this, I totally agree on this. 50, 20, 30, because I think I practiced this particular law for some time myself and it's working for me. If you are living in Africa, you are living in Nigeria, you are not paying tax. The fact that you are not paying tax, you have enough money. Now, I don't mean you have plenty money. I mean you have enough money to invest. Everybody actually have money to save and money to invest, because most people don't have money problem. They have attitude problem. Attitude is everything. Now, going back to this particular 50, 20, 30 rules, I actually practice this myself. 50% of your salary, of your earnings, should go directly to your electricity bills, food bills, to sustain your rent. You need to save money for that. Now, the 20% should be saved for the purpose of investments. The 20% should be saved intensively for the purpose of investment, for the purpose of emergency. So the 20% should be saved for the future. That is the fact. And the remaining 30%, you can use it for shopping, for grocery, for restaurants. If you go out, you want to have fun with yourself. But if you actually save 20% of your salary every month as an income earner, I mean, if you're a business person, you are doing more than this, like I am. You understand me? And it's not every day you are doing this. So what do you think about this thing? How are you saving? Do you practice the 50, 20, 30 rules? These are rules that you can practice. Of course, I know that the living expenses of individual country varies, but to some extent, you should know that these are what is possible. It is possible that you can save this such amount, and I can bet you, this is exactly what will happen if you begin to save your money. The first thing that will begin to happen is that you begin to have attitude to save more money. The second thing that will happen is that you will be conscious of savings. These two things are very, very important. You'll be conscious of savings and you will have attitude to save more money. So what do you think? Do you think you can practice it? Do you think you can start with the kind of salary or income that is coming in every month? Comment below, like, guys, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.